I'm broke. I'm very broke. And it takes courage to admit that. Most people would rather pretend everything is fine than to be honest about where they are financially. But I'm going to ask you to grow with me because I want to be honest with you. Let me take you back to how it all happened. When I had money, I made a mistake that a lot of people make. I kept buying things because I thought the money would always keep coming in. But as an entrepreneur, I should have known better. Business has seasons. Some months are amazing, other months are slow. I was spending like the good season would never end. The reality hit me. The moment I knew that something had to change wasn't because my account balance dropped. It was when I started calculating my feeding expenses. Let me tell you something. Food is something I've always bought freely. But the day I started rationing what I could eat, I knew I was in the red zone. That was my wake-up call. So you might ask, what am I doing differently now? First, I'm taking my content creation seriously. Every single video I make is an investment in my future, whether it's about AI, automation, finance, or tech. I'm building something that can continue to create opportunities over time. Second, I'm praying. Honestly, I'm praying very hard, but I'm also putting in the work. Faith gives me strength, but discipline and consistency are what will move me forward every single day. Third, I'm learning every single day. The world is changing fast, especially with AI. The more I learn, the more valuable I become. And the more valuable I become, the more opportunities I create for myself. If you are broke today, don't be discouraged. Don't let your current situation define your future. Instead, let your brokenness fuel your hunger for success. Sometimes hitting a financial low is exactly what pushes you to build the life you have always wanted. I'm not rich yet. I'm simply documenting the journey. Every Finance Friday, I will share what I'm learning, the mistake I'm making, and the lessons that are making me become financially stronger. If you're interested in growing together, make sure you subscribe and follow this channel. On this channel, we don't just talk about finance. We also dive into AI, automation, and practical tech tips to help you build skills that matter in today's world. As always, this is my personal opinion. I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.